AI tools are everywhere right now. Chatbots, assistants, image generators, you name it. But Google Gemini does something a little different. And honestly, this one feature is what makes it stand out from the rest. It's not just about answering questions faster. It's about understanding the world the way humans do, using text, images, audio, and context together. Today, I'm going to explain what might be the most interesting feature of Google Gemini, and why it feels like a big step forward for everyday AI. No tech background needed. Let's break it down. Most AI tools you've used before mainly think in text. You type something, it responds with words. Gemini is different because it's multimodal by design. That means it doesn't just understand text, it understands images, screenshots, diagrams, audio, video frames, and how all of those things connect together. Instead of translating everything into text first, Gemini processes them at the same time. Think of it like this. Older AI tools read the world like a book. Gemini experiences the world more like a human, by seeing, hearing, and reading all at once. That's the core feature that makes Gemini interesting. Let's make this super simple. Imagine you take a photo of a messy desk, a broken cable, a laptop showing an error message, and you ask, why isn't my setup working? Gemini doesn't just describe the image. It can identify objects, notice relationships, understand context, and connect it to your question. It might say, this cable isn't plugged in properly. Or, that error message usually happens when this setting is disabled. It's not just recognizing objects. It's reasoning across what it sees and what you ask. That combination of vision plus logic is what makes this feature powerful. Here's why this matters. In the past, AI worked like this. Convert image to text, analyze the text, respond. That's slow and limited. Gemini skips that step. It processes visual information, language patterns, and intent all at once. This means fewer misunderstandings, more accurate answers, better explanations. It's like the difference between someone reading you a description of a photo and someone actually looking at it with you. This feature turns Gemini into something more than a chatbot. It becomes a problem-solving assistant. Examples: upload a chart and ask what it means. Share a screenshot of code and ask what's wrong. Show a photo of a math problem and ask for help. Upload notes and ask for a summary. Combine text instructions with an image. Gemini understands all of it together. You don't have to carefully explain everything in words. You can just show it. That's a huge shift in how humans interact with AI. Humans don't experience the world in one format. We see things, hear things, read things, connect them instantly. Gemini's most interesting feature is that it works closer to this human-style understanding. You can talk naturally, ask follow-up questions, change topics, mid-conversation, reference earlier images or messages. And Gemini keeps up. It understands context over time, not just one question at a time. That makes interactions feel smoother, more natural, and less robotic. This feature has huge potential in everyday life. Think about students learning from diagrams, creators analyzing images and scripts together, developers debugging visually, travelers translating signs, people fixing things without knowing technical terms instead of, explain this thing I don't understand. You can say, here's the thing, help. That's a big deal. Now, quick reality check. This doesn't mean Gemini is perfect or all-knowing. It can still make mistakes, misinterpret unclear images, give confident but wrong answers. It's a tool, not magic. But the way it combines information makes it far more useful for real-world tasks than older text-only AI systems. So what's the most interesting feature of Google Gemini? It's not just speed, it's not just smarter answers, it's the ability to understand the world the way we do, through words, images, and context together. That's what makes Gemini feel less like software, and more like a helpful assistant that actually gets what you're trying to do. If you enjoyed this simple breakdown, stick around. There's a lot more everyday tech like this that's worth understanding. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.